Okay, so today we're going to take a deep dive into Phuket's real estate scene.
Yep.
You actually sent me this article about some crazy activity happening over there. So let's unpack what's going on.
Sounds good. Yeah. This article comes from Ocean Worldwide. They're a luxury real estate agency.
Okay.
They've been based in Phuket since 2004, so they've been around for a while. And
Quite a while, yeah.
yeah, they've got their finger on the pulse. And what's interesting is they highlight Sandra O'Neill, who's the director there. She's been helping thousands of families and investors over the years,
Wow.
especially in the luxury market in Phuket and Koh Samui.
Okay, so when we're talking about this article, keep in mind that it is coming from an agency that specializes in luxury residential real estate in Phuket and Koh Samui.
Exactly.
Got it.
Yeah.
So what does this article actually tell us about what's happening in Phuket right now?
Well, it says that Phuket's real estate market is absolutely thriving.
Really?
Yeah. The total value of the active projects there is reaching 470 billion baht,
Wow.
which translates to about 12.8 billion US dollars.
That's huge.
It's massive. And the crazy thing is that's actually more than it was before COVID.
So it's bounced back strong.
Big time.
Yeah. So what's fueling this resurgence? Why is Phuket suddenly so hot again?
Well, a big reason seems to be the return of foreign buyers,
Okay.
especially from Russia and China.
Interesting.
In the first quarter of 2024 alone, they pumped in 54 billion baht. That's like 1.47 billion USD.
Wow. So are there a lot of projects underway right now to meet all this new demand?
A ton. There are around 500 active real estate projects.
500. That's
I know, right?
incredible.
And we're talking about 72,000 units.
Wow.
But here's the catch. 62,000 of those are already sold.
Oh, wow.
So there are only about 10,000 left up for grabs.
So if you're thinking about investing in Phuket, now's the time.
It sounds like it, yeah.
So where are all these buyers flocking to? Which areas are the hottest?
Phalang District is super popular. It makes up 50% of the residential projects.
Okay.
It's got 32,000 units in total, with 7,000 still available. Then you've got Muang District with 28,000 units, but only 1,200 left.
So that one's pretty much gone.
Pretty much. And then Kathu District has the fewest remaining units, just 700 out of 12,000.
So it seems like Phalang is the place to be if you're looking for more options.
Definitely seems that way, yeah.
So now we know where they're buying. What kinds of properties are they actually going for?
Vacation homes are a big hit. The average price for those is around 36 million baht.
36 million.
Yeah. You've also got condos going for an average of 7.7 million baht, and then single detached houses at about 5.7 million.
Got it.
Overall, the average for houses and condos combined is around 6.4 million, while vacation properties average higher at 10.7 million.
So that makes sense. Vacation homes are going to be pricier.
For sure.
With all this demand, are prices going up?
Oh, yeah. Especially for luxury properties. Like pool villas in Western Phuket, we're talking 15 to 20% price increases in some areas.
Wow, so it really is a seller's market.
Absolutely.
It sounds like the Phuket real estate market is booming according to this report.
It definitely is. In fact, the Phuket Real Estate Association is calling 2024 a golden year.
A golden year.
They're expecting even more growth as international buyers continue to return.
Wow, that's great for them.
And big developers like Sansiri and Origin Property are launching new projects.
So they're clearly confident about the future.
It seems so, yeah.
So to recap this article from Ocean Worldwide points to a pretty significant boom in Phuket's real estate market, fueled by foreign investment and a strong desire for luxury vacation properties.
Exactly. We're seeing high demand, limited availability in key areas, and rising prices for those high-end properties.
And it makes you wonder what this surge in foreign investment means for Phuket in the long run. How will it affect the island's development, its infrastructure, and the local communities?
Definitely something to think about. And what if these investment trends change? How will that impact the market?
Lots of interesting questions to ponder.
For sure.
Well, thanks for breaking down this report with me.
My pleasure.
It's been a fascinating look into the world of Phuket real estate. That's all the time we have for today's deep dive. But be sure to join us next time for another insightful exploration.
Sounds good.
Until then, happy investing.